Okay, tell me what one more time, Thomas.
The way you do when the balls are off your hands, you go on your knees lots like this.
Okay. You put your knee before you throw the ball.
That's how you do it.
Oh. And this is the booby machine boy. Happy sleeping booby sucker. Do it one more time. Good job.
One and the babies.
Mm-hmm.
Did I put my knees on the ground before I throw the balls?
Okay.
So watch this one.
Okay.
They look flat. The one with far.
Ah. Good job.
One more.
Good job.
Wow, look my phone. Mommy. Put this in his head.
Okay.
Don't. I'm still playing.
Okay, I'm still taping. Okay, show me one more trick. Last trick.
No, I'm gonna show you. I got 2 more tricks and that's it.
Okay, well, better hurry. It's gonna be too long and nobody wanna see you. Still sucking booby machine. Hey, you.
I done.
That's the one trick?
Yeah.
What's the another last trick?
The last trick is like relaxing. The way you watch, the way you play like this.
Wow, that's a cool trick. Good job. Come on. Toma, come here. Come on, Toma, come here, please. Say something to Daddy.
Who's Daddy?
Who's Daddy?
Is he in there?
He's gonna watch this later.
How is he gonna watch it later?
Because he has a trick to watch it.
And the in there?
Mm-hmm.
No, let me.
No, go say something to Daddy first. No, say something to Daddy first.
Hi, Daddy. I'm gonna play, but sorry, you're not coming back. But I love you. Bye.